Artificial intelligence imparts human intelligence in machines to perform tasks that require human kind of intelligence such as reasoning, problem solving, learning, and decision making. These algorithms can make predictions using large amounts of data by recognizing patterns based on processed information. In medical science, AI has potential to revolutionize by enhancing diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Artificial intelligence is used to analyze medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans that assist early detection and diagnosis of diseases like cancer, cardiovascular conditions, and neurological disorders. These algorithms assist early treatment by detecting abnormalities quickly. Drug discovery process can be significantly speed up by analyzing vast datasets and simulating drug interactions with biological systems. Artificial intelligence can help in identifying potential drug candidates and predicting their efficacy, reducing the time and cost of drug development. AI-enabled techniques analyze a patient's medical records, genetic data, and lifestyle information potentially used for developing personalized treatment plans, providing more targeted and effective therapies. Artificial intelligence-enabled virtual assistant system provides support to patients, offer basic medical advice, answer medical queries, and schedule appointments. AI-based methods can analyze patient data to predict disease progression, identify high-risk patients, and recommend preventive measures. AI-enabled surgical robots can assist surgeons in performing complex procedures with greater precision and control, with better surgical outcomes and reduced recovery times. NLP-based algorithms can analyze and extract information from unstructured medical data, such as clinical notes and research articles, helping researchers and clinicians to access critical insights efficiently. AI-enabled devices continuously monitor patients' health conditions, such as heart rate, glucose levels, and blood pressure. It may alert healthcare providers in case of emergency. AI can be used to optimize hospital workflows for resource allocation and appointment scheduling, with improved efficiency and reduced wait times for patients. The AI has potential to transform patient care and advance medical research significantly. Thank you.